Hey guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. It's another beautiful morning for me to vlog for you guys a video. So today I'm back with a cleaning video of my house. So let's go and see the situation of that house. So this is the entrance of my beautiful house. It has been raining of late, so on the veranda it's quite dirty, and here it's also cracking a little bit, and we have some ants building the house there, so I need to work on that. And this is the situation. This is what I wake up to every morning. You see, this is the work of my baby. As much as I try to keep the house clean, that can't just happen. When you have a toddler, this is what you should be expecting. And you see, these are his little hands. He likes touching the TV while watching. So I need to wipe all the surfaces and also at least clean up. Yeah. So the lighting here is not that good. Let me stand here. So let me go and load the laundry. I want to wash the cock. Let me go and load the laundry. I want to wash our beddings. Then I start cleaning the house.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes.
So I'm going to start by fetching 2 buckets of water. So we usually have a tap here, and my house is up there, so I have to carry all the way up there. So this is enough.
veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, 6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits.
Guys, so I'm done cleaning the house. Now I want to wash the toilet and bathroom. I'm happy I did clean the house. So let's finish with the toilet and bathroom, then I show you the final look of the house. So this is the toilet and bathroom, but you have a problem. Whenever it rains, all the water or all the rain goes inside the toilet. Now there is no day that you'll find the toilet clean because it was not raised as this side. So all the water that it rains, it goes inside the toilet. So there's no day you'll find the toilet clean, as you can see. So I want to sweep it, then I sweep over here. I remove this dirt. So now the toilet and bathroom is clean. I want to sweep here. Yep. So I'm done. Everywhere is now clean. Let me just close this door. This is how the outside looks like. At least I've tried compared to how it was in the beginning. I've really tried. You remove your shoes. Then this one has already sun dried, so I'm just going to put it back. Yep, it feels so nice to be in a clean house. I just need to untie these, but not now. I'll leave it for air to come inside the house. And this is how the space looks like. I like it. It's sparkling clean. Most of the carpet was dirty. This is how it is. So you've come to the end of our cleaning vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'm so happy the house is clean. So if you like this vlog, kindly give it a like and also subscribe. That's the only way you support this channel. So if you've not watched my previous videos, kindly go and watch it. I'll pin it on the comment section, and also give this video a like, guys. And leave a sweet comment for me. Till next time, bye bye.